Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off keyboard sounds on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So I'm gonna open Notes as an example, and let's open Keep Notes. And now, as you may hear, I have keyboard sounds enabled. And if you want to turn them on or off, what we need to do is tap on this icon over here on the left side, those 4 squares. Then we want to tap on this gear icon in order to open the settings. And then over here, we want to go to Preferences. In the Preferences, over here we have Sound on Key Press. By default, this option is disabled, but of course you can turn this on. And once it's enabled, we also have the option to set the volume on key press. If we tap on it, we have the slider, and we can move from left to right in order to adjust the volume. By default, I believe it is set to 0%, so even though the key press volume might be enabled, it won't probably make any noise at all. So we need to set it to a certain percent, and then we can tap OK in order to change, to apply the changes. So now if we go back and try to type, you will hear the sound. If we reopen the same settings, then of course we can turn off the sound. And then if we go back, then we won't make any noise. In addition to that, I want to show you also one more setting. So if we go to Settings, and then choose Notifications, and then we need to go down to Do Not Disturb. And finally over here we have Alarms and Other Interruptions. Over here we have touch sounds, which can be disabled or enabled over here in order to have these touch sounds, including keyboard sounds, when we have Do Not Disturb mode enabled. So it's up to you what you want to have. So if this slider is on, this means that keyboard, for instance, will make the noise when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. If we don't want that, then we can simply turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.